How to remove the Mahindra XUV700 door mirror, but first in the process we'll remove the door panel. We will start by removing this little cover where the door open handle is. There's a little cover, and underneath this cover there will be a Phillips screw that you'll need to remove. Next, on the inner door mirror cover, you will need to pull this out and then unplug. And underneath there will also be another Phillips screw that you'll need to remove. Next, where the door pull handle is, we'll remove the cover on top of the door pull handle. Just be gentle. I recommend using plastic tools for this. Don't just follow what I do. You don't want to damage the door trim or the cover, and be gentle. And underneath there will be torque screws. Next, we will remove the master power window switch. I am using plastic tools here, and just gently all along lift the switch plate upwards. And then we'll need to unplug the switches. And then there will be screws underneath they will also need to remove. That's why we need to remove the window switch. Those two Phillips screws over there. Now for the next part, on the inside of the door panel there are clips that run all along, and that's why you'll need to get in between the door panel and the door itself like this, and then you can first pull the bottom out with a little bit of force with your fingers once you have enough space, or you can also use a clip remover and just go along. The idea is you pull the bottom out first and you slide it upwards to detach it from the window sill. So this clip remover tool makes things much easier, but as I said, if you don't have a tool like this, you can get in there with your fingers and pull the bottom out. Keep in mind the clips can break even with a clip remover tool. I will show you these clips, and I'll also show you one tip to refitting the door panel. Once the door panel is out of position, you'll need to detach the door open handle cables. And then you'll need to unplug the bottom courtesy light. These are the clips here, these orange ones. They need to be like this, but see that one's missing. So you go to the door and then you get the clip from here and you put it back on there, and it makes refitting much easier. Now that the door panel is off, we will unplug the mirror and then remove the three 10mm nuts, and then you'll need to just unclip. There's also a locking clip which I will show you. You can remove that Phillips screw as well and just wriggle the door mirror out.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.